The deterioration of a phone battery's performance over time can be attributed to several factors. George Zayedin, in his video titled "Why Your Phone Battery Gets Worse Over Time," highlights key reasons behind this phenomenon. Here's a summary of the explanations he provided. Chemical reactions. Phone batteries rely on chemical reactions to store and release energy. As you use your phone and charge and discharge the battery, these chemical reactions cause the battery's internal components to degrade. Over time, this degradation leads to a reduced capacity to hold a charge. Lithium-ion chemistry. Most modern phone batteries use lithium-ion technology. These batteries are known to have a limited number of charge cycles before their capacity diminishes significantly. A charge cycle refers to the process of using the battery from 100 to 0 and then recharging it back to 100. Each cycle contributes to the battery's wear and tear. Heat. Exposing your phone to high temperatures, whether from external sources or internal processes, can accelerate the degradation of the battery. Heat increases the rate of chemical reactions within the battery, causing it to degrade faster. This is why leaving your phone in hot environments or using it while charging can negatively impact battery life. Partial charging. Modern lithium-ion batteries prefer full charge and discharge cycles. Partial charging, where you frequently top up the battery without fully depleting it, can cause the battery's capacity indicator to become less accurate over time. This is known as the memory effect, though it's not as prominent in lithium-ion batteries as it was in older battery technologies like nickel-cadmium. Age. Just like any other physical component, phone batteries age with time. Even if you don't use your phone frequently, its battery will still degrade over the years due to the natural breakdown of materials and chemical processes. Software and calibration. Phone software that estimates battery capacity might become less accurate as the battery degrades. This can result in your phone shutting down unexpectedly or showing a higher percentage than the actual remaining charge. Manufacturing variability. Not all batteries are created equal. Some batteries might have minor manufacturing defects or inconsistencies that can lead to faster degradation. This is why you might notice differences in battery performance even among identical phone models. In conclusion, the gradual decline in phone battery performance is a complex interplay of chemical processes, usage habits, temperature exposure, and inherent technological limitations. While there's no way to completely halt battery degradation, being mindful of how you charge, use, and store your phone can help prolong its battery life to some extent.